What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for our brand new preset series, the Essential Series. Now, this tutorial specifically focuses on the Pro Tools rap hip hop vocal presets compatible with Waves Gold Bundle. Let's get into it.
Combat, this a banger, huh?
So when you guys first download the pack, you guys are going to get this folder right here. It says Essential Pro Tools Hip Hop Preset Templates Waves Gold Bundle. That's how you know you have the right one. We have a README right here, which pretty much takes you to this tutorial right here. But we also have a nice little discount for you guys for anything on our website. Now, the first thing you guys are going to want to do is double click this folder right here. And as you guys can see, we have 3 different presets and templates for you guys. We have the aggressive Bay Area vocals, the crisp LA vocals, as well as the New York warm drill vocals. Now, the difference between these 3 presets is pretty much how it shows. The first one we just have, it's just aggressive vocals, really in your face, a little distortion to it. It just gives it that real gritty, solid vocal. Now, the crisp LA vocals, it just more of a high frequency, high end vocal. It sounds really crispy, really good for microphones that have a lot of like warmth to it, that you want to add a little bit more air to it. That's the preset for you guys. And the New York warm vocals, those are pretty much, if you guys have more of a higher frequency mic, like a TLM 103 or something like that, this will help smooth it out if that's what you guys are looking for. And you could really go between either one depending on your song. Like if you have more of an aggressive song, maybe the aggressive one works better for you. If you have more of a radio type of hit song, the LA vocals might work really well. Or same thing with more of an underground or boom bap type of vibe, the warm vocals work wonders. All right, for this example, we're going to use the crisp LA vocals, so I'm going to double click that right there. So once it opens, you guys are going to get this dashboard right here, and you guys want to name it whatever you guys want. So for this one, I'm going to name it example 1. And for the file type, I always leave it WAV. For sample rate, 48 is pretty good. Bit depth, 24 is good. IO settings, last used. You want to make sure it's compatible with whatever you guys have. The check mark, interleaved. And then for location, you guys could pick whatever location you guys want. For this one, I'm going to use desktop. I'm just going to hit create. So when you first open up the preset and template, you're going to get this screen right here. This is pretty much your full template. So we have our beat track where you guys drag in your beat. We have our recording track right here. So for this template, you guys want to use this recording track to record your track using the arm button right here, and then record your tracks here and then drag and drop them to the corresponding track. So whether it's a verse lead, a double ad lib, or a hook lead double ad lib, you guys want to drag and drop like that. We have a verse vox sub, which is an auxiliary track that all the verse tracks go into, as well as the same thing with the hooks. We have reverb, New York compression, as well as vox delay. We also have a master as well. And for the master, I have some plugins on there. If that's causing any type of latency or anything, feel free just to right click and make inactive, and then to reactivate, just hit make active. Another tip, if you guys are having any issues with inputs or outputs, make sure you guys go to IO settings and just hit default over here. It will change all your inputs and outputs back to normal. So I hit OK right here. Another thing, if you guys are still getting latency, even if you guys are bypassing plugins, make sure you check your playback engine and make sure your buffer size is around 128. Then just hit OK. So the first thing we're going to do is import our beat, just like if you guys were going to import ready to record on this. So I'm going to hit Command-Shift-I on my keyboard, or I could go to File, Import Audio. I go to the selected folder. I have this right here already set for me. I'm going to hit Open, and I'm going to hit OK. So I have all my tracks right here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my beat up to where the beat says. I'm just going to play it out, make sure it works. Awesome, that sounds good. So as you guys can see, I have my acapella right here, and I have my ad-libs right here. I'm gonna mute these right now. And for the acapella, I'm just going to play it out on the recording track, just like if you guys were just recorded that right here, and then we're gonna drag and drop it to hear the difference. So let's play it.
You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3.
Okay, let's hear when we drag and drop. Let's hear that.
You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree.
And if you guys want to adjust reverb or echo, you guys can just go over here and adjust like this.
You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC.
Same thing with
I grow
echo.
money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge, Joe, keep on rolling out the P. Hey, say goddamn, ain't you high, nigga?
If you guys just want to like raise or lower that track, you guys could go over here and just raise or lower right here.
You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree.
So you guys could hear the big difference between the dry vocals and then when we dragged it on. Huge difference. Now let's do the same thing with the ad-libs so you guys can hear the difference with that as well.
Hey, let's go. You already know who it be. Who it be? It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BFC. BFC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. Goddamn. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Domsky.
Awesome. So I'm going to drag this down. I'm going to unmute this and let's hear this.
Hey, let's go. You already know who it be. Who it be? It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BFC. BFC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. Goddamn. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3.
Now, once you guys have everything leveled the way you guys want, you guys could use this Vox sub right here to raise or lower the overall verses. So let's try it.
Hey, let's go. You already know who it be. Who it be? It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BFC. BFC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. Goddamn. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge, Joe, keep on rolling.
Also, if you guys are punching in and you guys want multiple tracks of one of the tracks right here, we could just click the track, right click, and hit duplicate. Usually I leave the active and alternative playlist off. Now I hit OK. And now, if you guys are punching in, you guys could like punch in here, punch in here, punch in here, punch in here. You know what I'm saying? And just keep dragging and dropping to each track. Make it super, super easy. Awesome. So that pretty much concludes our tutorial. I really appreciate you guys watching. The same way we use these LA Crisp vocal preset, you guys could do the same thing for aggressive or the New York warm vocals. It all works the same. And if you guys really like these presets and templates, you guys like the way it looks, the way it sounds, please feel free to check out our website, www.infinitrhythmpresets.com. We have a variety of packs on there, so it's definitely worth checking out. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Instagram at combat_K. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe because that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.